In this video, I'll show you how to connect a soundbar with your Samsung TV. I'll show you 3 different ways: with HDMI, with an optical cable, and also with Bluetooth. Let me show you the HDMI method. So you'll need a basic HDMI cable. On the back of your soundbar, you should look and find an HDMI port where it says ARC. If you have multiple HDMI ports, some soundbars have 2 or even 3, you need to connect your HDMI cables in the one that is actually saying ARC. So I'll go ahead and connect mine. Make sure you push all the way in. Now it's time to go on the back of your Samsung TV. On the back of your Samsung TV, there's a good chance that you have 2 or 3 or even 4 HDMI ports. Over here, I only have 2. You need to connect your soundbar in the HDMI port that says ARC or EARC. Over here, if I look closely, HDMI number 1 has the ARC. The number 2 does not have it, so I'll connect it over here. We are not done yet. Now power on your soundbar. This one has this remote control, so I can power it on this way. And next you need to put the soundbar in ARC or HDMI mode. This soundbar has a special button over here saying ARC. Your model may be different. Maybe you'll have a button that you'll be able to select ARC or HDMI. Check out on your soundbar or on the remote control. Next, we need to go in the menu of the Samsung TV. We need to go over here on the left side using the left arrow. Press it a few times until you select Settings. Once this is selected, go down and select Sound. Select Sound Output. And over here, you should have the option to select HDMI ARC. If, like in my case, you do not have the option, you only have TV speakers and optical, go ahead and turn off your TV. Power it back on. Go back in that menu.
Power on. Power on.
And after doing this, you should see a receiver HDMI or something like this, soundbar HDMI. If even after powering it off your TV and on again, you still do not see HDMI over there, I suggest you turn off your soundbar, turn off your TV, power on your soundbar, and then power on your TV. The soundbar needs to be on when the TV turns on, so it's able to see the HDMI connection over here. Then once this is done, once you select HDMI, and go ahead and test your soundbar. If it's working, great. If it's not working, then you need to go back in this menu and select Expert Setting. And over here under Digital Output Audio 4, you need to select PCM. Maybe yours is auto. Well, you need to switch it to PCM, and this should solve your issue. If even after you do this, you don't hear any sound, any music, you need to go over here in the menu, select General, then select External Device Manager, and then make sure this is checked. AnyNet Plus, HDMI, CEC. You need to have a blue check mark here. So this is how you connect your soundbar using HDMI. Now let me show you how to do it using an optical cable instead. So I have an optical cable over here. Maybe yours is looking differently. If it's a brand new one, the important thing is you remove the cover that is protecting the tip of this connector. Usually it's made out of silicone. Just rip it out with your fingernails. It should look like this. Then on the back of your soundbar, you should find the actual optical input. Mine is located right beside the HDMI. So take your cable, and there's only one way this will fit. You cannot put it the wrong way. It has a specific shape, and you just need to align it, okay, by looking and push it all the way in, okay? Perfect. On the back of your Samsung TV, same thing. Let's find the optical port. If it's not over here with the other HDMI, look on the back of your TV. Mine it was actually here. You see, it says digital audio out, optical. This is the port we're looking for. Take the other end of the cable, align it, and push it in, you see, like this. And now we just need to make sure that the Samsung TV will output the sound through the optical cable. So go in the menu, same place we went before, go in the settings, go down, select sound, and over here, sound output, select optical. And after doing this, don't forget to put your soundbar in optical mode. Here I have this OPT button I need to select. And now you can go ahead and enjoy your TV show or whatever you're watching. If you connect your Samsung TV to your soundbar using an optical cable, you will not be able to change the volume using your Samsung TV remote control. You will absolutely need to take your soundbar remote control to change the volume. This is the only downside. And you can also connect your soundbar to your Samsung TV with Bluetooth if your Samsung TV is equipped with Bluetooth capabilities. Unfortunately, this model is a pretty basic one and I cannot do this. So I'll put a screenshot right now what you need to do if you want to make this happen. You will obviously need to put the soundbar into Bluetooth pairing mode. This one has this Bluetooth button that I need to select. And then on your Samsung TV, then just follow the instructions on the screen. It's very easy and it's actually the method that takes the least time. You just need to go in the menu, select an option and you'll be good to go. And you won't be able to connect any wires from your TV going through your soundbar. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.